In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user on Google Analytics 4, often known as GA4, in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a small business, running a blog, or overseeing the digital presence for a large corporation, granting access to your Google Analytics can empower your team, providing insightful data that drives decision making. So, let's dive into the process, making it as smooth as butter for you. We'll start our journey by navigating to Google. It's the gateway to nearly all Google services, including Google Analytics. Once there, look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the Google homepage. Clicking Sign In will prompt you to choose the Google account you'd like to use. If you're already managing multiple accounts or this is your first rodeo with Google services, make sure to pick the account associated with your Google Analytics. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your secure password and then click Next to proceed. With the sign-in hurdles cleared, you'll see the Google Apps icon appearing as a grid of dots, also in the top right corner. Click there and a drop-down menu will unfold, showcasing all the Google apps available to you. From this treasure trove of applications, locate and click on Google Analytics. Once Google Analytics loads up, our immediate goal is to navigate to the admin settings. This is where the magic of user management happens. The admin button can usually be found at the bottom left of the screen, resembling a gear icon. Clicking on it brings you into the deeper settings of your analytics account. Now you're in the heart of your GA4 account. Look around and you'll find an option labeled Account. Clicking on it will lead you down another level deep to the Account Access Management. This section is the control room for managing who gets to see and do what within your Google Analytics account. From here, your next move is to click on the plus icon, a universal symbol for adding something new, in this case a new user to your GA4 account. Right after clicking the plus icon, you'll see an option named Add Users. Clicking this brings up a new window where the actual addition of users begins. In this new window, you're prompted to enter the email address of the user you're adding. This is the Google account email of the person you wish to grant access to. Carefully type in the email address to avoid any typos that could send your GA4 data access to the wrong person. After entering the email, it's time to assign a role to your new user. Google Analytics 4 offers several predefined roles, each with different levels of access and permissions. Select a standard role, appropriate for the level of access you wish to grant. Whether it's providing full data editing capabilities or just viewing reports, pick the role that fits best. Almost there. Next up, choose a data restriction for the new user. This step is crucial as it defines the limitations on what the user can see or do with the data in your GA4 account. Select the appropriate restriction level that corresponds with the role you've just assigned. With all that set up, the final step is to click Add. This button, affirming your selections, officially invites the new user into your GA4 universe. And just like that, you've successfully granted access to your Google Analytics 4 account to someone who can now help you make sense of your web data. In summary, adding a user to your GA4 account is a straightforward process, consisting of logging into your Google account, navigating through the Google Analytics interface to the admin settings, and carefully entering the new user's details before finalizing their access level. It's a powerful way to collaborate on your digital analytics, ensuring you have the insights needed to drive your online presence forward effectively. Remember, managing access to your analytics is a critical responsibility. Always ensure that you're only granting access to trusted individuals and regularly review your account's user list to maintain security and relevance. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Here's to making your Google Analytics teamwork as seamless and productive as possible.